A bat soars through the sky. It's past midnight, and all that could be seen is the moonlight. Today's video is part of a challenge hosted by Domestic Diva DIY. Once you're done watching my video, check the description box for the playlist and her channel. For this challenge, we were asked to find some inspiration on Pinterest and include that in our video, so here's mine. Hello everyone, today we are going to be making 2 quick and easy Halloween wreaths. I'm going to be starting with this, and I'm also using my wire wreaths. And all you're going to do is take your feathers. For the beginning, I'm just going to secure it with some hot glue at the back, and then I'm going to wind it through. It shouldn't really need any hot glue until I reach the end. Now we are going to just trim this because it's a little bit big. I am working with a small wreath, so I'm going to cut some of the feathers in the middle and on the outside, and we're just going to tidy it up. I'm going to save these actually for another DIY, just so that nothing wastes. Next, I'm going to add this bat here. It's part of a lace choker, so I'm just going to remove it with my pliers from the lace part up here. Now I'm also going to use this part of the chain. I'm just going to take it off with the pliers again. So here it is. Now you're going to attach the two together. So the bat and the other part of the chain that we took off the necklace, and then I'm going to close it up. And because I only have one part of this chain, the necklace just has the clasp on the other end, I'm going to try and use my pliers to cut it in half. So I'm just creating the half here, and then I know where to cut, so just this one here. Now I've got them in half, I'm going to take the other half and attach it to the other side of the bat's wing. Actually, I'm just going to remove that because we don't need that. So just attach the two. Excuse my dyed hands. But now our chains are ready. I've got the two halves. What you're going to do is you can, if you've got another chain on you, you can take another clasp so that you can add it on. But I'm just going to use these because I've got them in my stash anyway. They are for jewellery making. So I'm going to open them up and attach it to the last hoop on the bat. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. And then all you're going to do is attach it to your wire. So you're going to make some space, and then we're going to just stick it on, open it up and hang it on the wire. Once you're done adding your bat, we are done. So I'm just going to clean everything up, wash my hands, and then we will begin with DIY number 2. For the second DIY, I'm going to be using the wicker wreath. That's because I'm not going to be painting it or anything, and I really do like this. I do think that it's suitable for Halloween, just as it is as well. And then I'm going to be using this tablecloth. So what I'm going to do is, it's got like a spiderweb design on. Let me just open it up and show you. Here it is. So I am going to place my wreath on top, and then I'm going to cut around so that I have the size I need for the wreath, and I just want to make sure that the spider web is really nice and centered. I'm going to make this a little bit easier by sticking it down to the wreath already, so I can just carry on cutting it. Okay, I've cut its size now. I'm just going to carry on sticking it down, and you want to make sure it's really taut because it just doesn't look good baggy. we are just going to tidy it all up, remove all of the excess material so that it doesn't show. Now I'm going to add this spider web. It comes with 12 spiders. It's really stretchy, but I'm not going to use the spiders with it, and I'm only going to add it to the side of the wreath. And I was debating if I should add a big spider on the side or have a little smaller spider dangling down in the middle, and I think I'm going to go with the bigger one because I do like the detail of the spider's web here in the middle. So you're just going to stretch it out, and you can hook it onto the wicker wreath, or you can glue it down with hot glue. I'm just going to carry on, and then I'm going to cut it off because obviously we don't need all of this. Now I'm just going to hot glue my spider down. Okay, I changed my mind. I am actually going to be adding a little spider that dangles, but I'm not going to cover the middle area that I really liked. So I'm going to have him dangling just kind of at the top here. So to do that, I am just taking a small amount of this stringy web, and I'm just going to kind of wrap it around, and then I'm adding it to the spider's butt just with hot glue, and we're going to cut it, attach it. Here's the finished wreath. Let me know which one you prefer. I would probably go with this one here, the bat one. That's just because I really like adding jewelry to the middle of my wreaths, and I feel like it's quite classy and chic, and it's also good for Gothic decor. It doesn't just have to be for Halloween. I really hope that these projects have left you feeling inspired. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, make sure you subscribe. Now, to my subscribers, 2 weeks ago I made a video thanking you all for helping me reach 6k, so today I will announce the winners. I did do this by the randomizer as I promised, so drum rolls. The 2 winners are... So congratulations to Janet and Rhonda. Here's some cheesy stock footage to celebrate. Please email me for all of the details, including your address. My email is in the description box. Big congratulations to you both again, and thank you all so much for entering. And I do this every milestone, so there will be more winners next time.